Hey people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me check if I'm live or not. Else I need to restart it again. Okay, I think it is working now. Yeah. So for the people who are watching this video, just give me a sec. Let me settle up. Okay. For the people who are watching this video, the plan is to solve SQL 50 problems both in SQL and in Pandas, and today's problem is investments in 2016. Okay, so I'll be taking help of GPT-4 so as to make the solution to understand easier and to save our time. Okay, so let's go through the SQL schema, understand the problem statement, and let's move to the solution. Okay, so the table name is insurance, and we have column name PID 2015, sorry, PID, which is integer, and TIV 2015 and 2016, and latitude and longitude. Okay, so PID is the primary key, and it is like a policy, insurance policy you can consider, and TIV is the total investment value in 2015, and similarly it is in 2016. Now latitude is the latitude of the policyholder city. It is guaranteed that latitude is not null and longitude is also not null. Now what we need to do, we need to write a solution to report the sum of all total investment values in 2016 for all policyholders who, okay, there are two conditions to find this, who have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policyholders and are not located in the same city as any other policyholder. Okay, so we need to also round it to two decimal places, and the result format is given below. So if you see the example here, insurance table, if you see the PID is 1234 and TIV 2015, 2016, latitude and longitude. Now why the output is 45 here? Okay, so if you see, there are two conditions, right? One is have the TIV, same TIV 2015. So if you see, wherever the TIV is 10 and 10, okay, so if you see, you can also consider this. Okay, but what is happening here, the latitude and longitude is same. Okay, so that is the reason this 10 is not considered, and only these are considered. Okay, okay, and 40 sorry, 40 plus 5 is 45. So basically the first record in the table is like the last record, meets both of the two criteria. So which are the two criteria have the same TIV 2015 values as one or more other policy holders, like 10 or 10 and 10. Okay, and are not located in the same city. So basically this 10 is not considered because this 20 and 20 is repeated because they are in the same city, like that. Okay, and 40 and 10, these are like different ones, right? And that is the reason we are considering this 40 plus 45. Okay, the second record does not meet any of the two criteria. It's TIV not like any other policyholders. So this records is not any other policyholders, and its location is the same as the third record. Location is same as the third record. Okay, which makes the third record fail too. Okay, so that is the reason the third record also fails. Okay, so the result is the sum of the TIV 2016 on the first and the last record, which is 45. Okay, so we need to write that solution. So let's take the solution, go to GPT and ask it to explain with example. Okay, now let's see. Now what it is doing, if you see, here we have select a round of sum of TIV 2016 and 2. Basically this is like the one part of the solution. From insurance is the table where TIV 2015 in select TIV 2015 from insurance group by TIV 2015 having count star greater than 1. So basically first condition is wherever the TIV 2015 value is greater than 1, we are bringing in this format in the where, and latitude and longitude in select lat long from insurance group by lat long having count star greater than 1. Okay, so basically we are checking again the same. Okay, so if you see, First we are finding 2015 values which are occurring more than once. That is the first conditions. TIV 100 appears twice, ID 1 and 3. So basically 1 and 3 is twice. Okay. Okay. And find the unique latitude and longitude combinations. So basically, if you see ID 2 and 6 appears twice, so it is excluded. So 2, and I think this is the sixth one. I think it is jumbled up. 5, what it is doing here? 40.7 minus 74. Okay, I think this is excluded, right? Okay, got it. 34, 2 and 6 they're considering basically. 200 and 500. The select A20 value from step 100. Okay, from step 2 is 3418, which is this. Okay, let me check if it is or and. It is and here, so I have also given and here. Okay, count star is equal to 1, right? That means they're not repeating basically. Okay. Even if it is and, then okay, got it. So if you see here, first condition is or the first condition is have the same TIV 2015 values as one or more policy holders. So if you see 100 is the first thing, that is having more than one TIV value, right? So this is the first condition, and second condition is are not located in the same city, right? So which is the second condition that holds true, which is basically this ID 2 and 6, right? So 2 and 6. Okay, so this is the second condition. So what will happen, first of all, we will get the addition of all those, I think. Okay, what's the output now? So in this scenario, the output is 0 because and condition is not meeting. That is what I thought, right? So this is, I think, wrong. Okay, because it is not able to explain it properly. Let us get this example. Okay, so why to make it jumbling? Okay, explain the output with this. Okay, now if you see that appear more than once is 1 3 4, which is basically this 1 3 and 4, right? And condition uh, appears once, paired 2 not included. Okay, so this is not included because if you see this is repeated, right? So that is not included. Now only rows where TIV 2015 10 will be considered for the final calculation. Okay, so if you see, they have given, okay, now it is giving correct. So basically this is the output. Okay, so hope you got this. Okay, so basically it is selecting 1 and 4 wherever it is unique. 10 appears multiple times, 10 appear multiple times. Okay, and condition true is unique and is unique. Okay, so that is the reason we have selected. Okay, this is beautiful explanation, right? Till here you can read it out. Okay, you can pause it here and you can read it out, and finally it is computing the sum. Okay, so hope this helps. I jumbled up in the beginning, but yeah. Unknown network error, unknown network error, unknown network error. Okay, let me rerun it. I told you right in the beginning, things are not going the way I want. Okay, you can try and submit this. I'm sure that this will work. Okay, so basically you can copy this. Okay, let me, yeah, so this you can pause it here and you can try to solve. Okay, so let's go to pandas. So if you see what it is doing, first we are keeping the uh, okay, anyways, let's not confuse you again or not waste time, because I whatever I want to say, it is coming in different format. So okay, so what this is doing here is it this filters the rows where TIV 2015 is duplicated. It appears more than one row. Okay, key for argument ensure that all duplicate occurrences are marked. Okay, so basically and .pid extracts only the PID value. So basically this keeps PID 1, 3 and 4. Okay, now position basically second line, right? Yeah, this is the second line. Drop duplicates, what it is doing, and subset latitude longitude again PID. Okay, so basically it is also checking for PID now here. Okay, so if you see duplicate false and unique it is keeping. Drop duplicates, subset latitude and longitude keep false. Okay, and lastly PID. So basically it is keeping only these records now. Okay, and finally ensuring the PID is in pause, and okay, basically it is checking using these two statements that we created, and it is calculating this sum. Okay, so if you see SS selected, and finally it is giving the sum. Okay, and finally PD dot data frame TIV 2016 45. Got it? Okay, so hope this is also clear. I don't know, I'm not able to submit this, but yeah, now it is submitting. Yeah, if you see I'm not sure, still unknown error, but yeah, it got submitted anyway. So hope this was a helpful session. In the beginning I messed it up, but yeah, you can fast forward it till here. Anyways, live count is not that much. I'm sure you are watching it in the future, so you can fast forward it. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video. If you have any doubts, to comment out in the comment section, I will clear it. And if you learned something from this video, do like, share and subscribe, and also share this playlist with your friends. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.